How to fix automatic shutdown problem in Windows 11. In this tutorial, I'll show you a few simple steps you can try to fix the problem. First, click the Search button on the taskbar. Search for Device Manager and open it. In Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics driver and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers and install any available update. If the problem still isn't fixed, let's try another solution. Click the Search button again and search for Edit Power Plan. Open Edit Power Plan, then click Change Advanced Power Settings. Under Turn Off the Display, set the options to Never if you don't want the display to turn off automatically. Next, expand Processor Power Management. Click Maximum Processor State and check the current settings. You can adjust the maximum processor state if your PC is experiencing power or overheating related shutdowns. After making the changes, click Apply and then OK. Finally, restart your computer and check whether the automatic shutdown problem has been fixed. And that's it. These steps can help troubleshoot automatic shutdown problems on your Windows laptop or PC. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful Windows tutorials.